Okay, yeah, so let's look at this question. Let us now apply the trig ratio in solving problems. So say find the value of x in the diagram. So this is the diagram, right? Now for us to be able to use the trig ratio, then we must compare the side we have to find to the side that is given. So when you compare it, this side is now what? This side is our hypotenuse and this side is our adjacent. Now you now ask yourself which trig ratio has the adjacent and the hypotenuse. Okay, that is car, right? Car, that is cos. So it means that we are going to use cos in solving this problem in order to get the length of this side. Now at JHS level, because we are not allowed to use calculator, they must give you the value of cos 60, right? Okay, so it could be that they begin take cos 60 to be equal to half. Okay, so that is the value. When you use calculator to manipulate it, you get half, right? So we are going to use this. So you need to set out the trig ratio, since you know you are talking about cos. The formula say cos theta. Okay, so let me write the ratio to just easy to explain. Cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and we say that the theta is an angle, right? The theta is an angle, and the angle now is 60. So in place of this theta, I'm going to put angle there, right? The angle there. So cos 60 is equal to, now our adjacent is x, so in place of the adjacent we put x there. Okay, I hope you are following. And then our hypotenuse is 5, so in place of that we put 5 there. Now let's continue. Then we're given the value of cos 60, and cos 60 is what? Half. Okay, so in place of cos 60 I'm going to put half there. So I'm going to have will now be equal to x on 5, right? Good. So we continue. I want to solve it at this side. Okay, so solving, continue. Now if we have a fraction and a fraction separated by equal to sign, the simplest way to do it is to cross multiply, right? So I'm going to cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. These two multiply this x, and that'll give us 2x, and this one multiply this 5, and that'll give us what? 5. We are looking for x. Okay, so since we are looking for x, we make x the subject. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 2. So on 2, and this will cancel this. We have s to be equal to, so you can write this in a decimal form, right? So let's do that. 2 going to 5 how many times? That's 2 times, right? 2. So 2 to 4 minus 5 is what? 1. So brings 0 to going to 10 how many times? 5 times. So our s is equal to 2.5. okay, units. If I were to use any unit, then it's a 2.5 unit. Thank you so much for watching.